Alright guys, Brian here with OnlyWoodFloors, OnlyWoodFloors.net. Got an old 1980s finger block parquet. Gonna modernize it. Did some samples for the homeowner. But got your entryway, kitchen, and this back hallway leading into the bedrooms. I mean, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's a brown finger block parquet, and we are going to sand it down, make it a really nice beachy gray.
Hi, Jose here from OnlyWoodFloors, and here at a completed job. We took this 1990s brown parquet floor and turned it to this beautiful grayish toned colored finished product. Took about 2 days total.